All right, quick show of hands. Who here just got their first real paycheck? Yeah, that moment hits different. You look at the number and think, I'm rich now. Then rent, food, gas, subscriptions, and random life stuff pull up like, relax. So today isn't about being boring or never having fun. It's about not messing up your money early, because early mistakes are the most expensive ones. Nobody really teaches this stuff properly, so consider this the cheat code. Let's talk about your paycheck for a second. You see two numbers, gross pay, looks fire, net pay. Wait, who took my money? That difference? Taxes, Social Security, Medicare. Basically, adult life fees. Rule number 1, your paycheck is smaller than you think. Always plan off the number that actually hits your bank account. And quick PSA, if you don't know where your money is going, your money will disappear. Not maybe, definitely. Now let's talk about budgeting. I know. The word budget sounds like punishment, but a budget is really just this. I'm telling my money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Here's a super simple starter setup. The 50-30-20 rule, 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for future you. Now, the emergency fund. This is the part people skip and then regret. An emergency fund is money you don't touch unless life punches you in the face. Stuff like your car breaks down, your phone dies, you lose hours at work, a random medical bill shows up. Start with $500, then aim for 1 month of expenses, eventually 3 to 6 months. This fund turns emergencies into inconveniences, not disasters. And no, a credit card is not an emergency fund. That's just future stress. Here's the golden rule. Only charge what you already have the cash for. Carry a balance, just because. Pay only the minimum. Use it to flex. Interest is basically a tax for being impatient. Now investing. This part scares people, but it shouldn't. You don't need a lot of money, a finance degree, or a guy on TikTok yelling at you. You need time. If your job offers a 401k with a match, just take it. That's free money. Not taking it is like saying no to a bonus. If you don't have access yet, start with basic investing later. Index funds beat get-rich-quick nonsense every time. The earlier you start, the less you have to stress later. Future you is begging you to start now. Let me leave you with this. Being good with money isn't about being cheap, it's about control. Money gives you options, flexibility, less stress, more freedom. Start simple. Track your spending, save something, avoid dumb debt. And don't try to impress people who won't pay your bills. You don't have to be perfect, you just have to be intentional. And if you mess up, cool. Everyone does. Just don't make the same mistake twice.